ल फल फल मतलब fruits फल. There is no matra for a. Why? Because it is already mixed with our Vyanjan. Hello friends, welcome to my channel PadhaiKaro. You can search in YouTube hashtag PadhaiKaro. This is my logo. अगर आपको मेरा चैनल अच्छा लगता है और पढ़ाई करना अच्छा लगता है तो सब्सक्राइब अभी कर लीजिए और बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा दीजिए. आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं अ की मात्रा जिसका कोई मात्रा नहीं होता है. Why there is no matra for a? Let's see that. Okay. Now first tell me what is this letter? This is a consonant. What is this? Vyanjan. Which Vyanjan is this? What is the name of this letter is? K. What is this letter? K. What is this letter? G. This one? Ch. La. So here we have taken some letters. What is the end sound of this letter? Who will tell me? So here this is k. So what two sounds are coming? What can you hear? Is k. K, a, isn't it? Next, k. For k, what sound you are hearing? K, a is k. G, for g, what sound is we can hear? Is g, a. Ch, for cha, ch, a. For la, l, a. So it means we have this Vyanjan, whatever Vyanjan we have, that is having a sound with it. Means Vyanjan itself is having a sound. It means this a ki matra is already mixed with our Vyanjan, which is a complete Vyanjan. If I will tell you to break this k, then if somebody will tell you to break this k, open and show me this k, you need to write like this and show like k plus a. So what is the symbol is? This is halant. Whenever we will give the symbol with any letter, that letter will be half letter. So here k mein halant is k. The sound will be half. K plus a is, we will blend k a ka, isn't it? K a ka, g a ga, ch a cha, l a la. The same. Suppose we are taking any other letter also, the same will come. Suppose we will take ma, okay? So same, if somebody will tell you how to break this, we will say m plus a is ma. It means this Vyanjan is a complete Vyanjan which is having a letter with it. How it is having a letter? Like this. Ma plus a. Mu matlab half ma. It means whenever somebody will tell you it is what? If they will write halant and show you, they will ask what is this? Then you need to say this is the half letter mu. Then we have in next class, I will show you how to write half letters. That is a different thing. So for today we are learning Vyanjan itself is having a letter with it. So we say there is no matra for a. Why? Because it is already mixed with our Vyanjan. Which way it is mixed is this. K plus a. K plus a. G plus a. Ch plus a. This way it is mixed with our letter. So now if somebody asks, कोई अगर आपको पूछे अ की मात्रा क्या है, so you need to say कोई मात्रा नहीं है, there is no matra for a. But if somebody asks why there is no matra for a, then you need to tell that this a is already mixed with our all the Vyanjans. If they will ask you how it is mixed, can you tell me? Then you need to open and show like this. K plus a is k. Suppose we will take another letter n. Okay. So if I will open this, then it is n plus a. So you can say that n is the Vyanjan, a sound is coming with it. How it is mixed with a is like this. Half n plus a is a complete Vyanjan n. So this is how we don't have matra for a. It is already mixed with our all the Vyanjans. I hope you understand. So Let's read some words and learn some meanings. Tub, tub. Tub means T-U-B, tub. This picture means tub. Bus, bus. Bus means B-U-S, bus. School bus, any bus. Null, null. Null means tap, water tap. Ghar, ghar. Ghar means home. Jug, jug. Jug means J-U-G, jug, जो हम घर में यूज करते हैं. मगर, मगर. मगर means crocodile. फल, फल. फल मतलब fruits. फल. कमल, कमल. Kamal means lotus. Sadak, sadak. Road. Road मतलब जाने वाला road. अदरक. जिंजर, जिसे मम्मी चाय में डालती हैं. अचकन. अचकन means coat. We can use this kind of worksheet to improve or check their knowledge. Like क से कमल मैच करने के लिए अब दूसरा मैच करेंगे फल. फ हो गया ये, फल हो गया फ्रूट्स. नेक्स्ट है ज से जग हम मैच कर लेते हैं, ब से बस मैच कर लेते हैं. At the end of the teaching, we can give them to write the meanings like fill in the blanks. इसका मीनिंग लिखिए. बस का क्या मतलब होता है? What is the meaning of null? What is the meaning of घर? ऐसे कुछ वर्ड हम दे सकते हैं. आगे पढ़ेंगे आ की मात्रा. तब तक के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और ये सारे वर्ड्स प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए. धन्यवाद.